friends, I'm Grishma and you are watching my channel G Tutorial. Today's class is on geometry, and in geometry we will be studying about triangles in today's class, mainly about the centers of the triangle. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for getting more Rrb JE as well as Rrb Ntpc related videos. Now let us get to our portions. First, let us understand what is meant by a triangle. It is a plane figure bounded by three lines in a plane. Such a figure is called a triangle. It's a plane figure bounded by three lines. And the total angle of a triangle is always 180 degrees. Triangle is having three sides and the total angle, if we are considering a triangle ABC, then the total angle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always equal to 180 degrees. Now, on the basis of sides, the triangles are classified as follows: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. First, let us see what is meant by scalene triangle. If no sides of a triangle is equal, then such a triangle is called scalene triangle. In this case, ABC, AB, AC and BC. Three sides are not equal. So, this triangle belongs to the category scalene triangle. Next is isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangle is equal, then such a triangle is called isosceles triangle. In this triangle, AB and AC, these two sides are equal. So, this is an isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, the angle opposite to them are also equal. That is, the angle opposite to AC is angle B and angle opposite to AB is angle C. So, angle C will be equal to angle B. So, in the case of isosceles triangle, that is having two sides equal, the two angles will also be equal. Next is equilateral triangle. If all sides of the triangle are equal, then such a triangle is called equilateral triangle. So, AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. And in this case, all angles are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Using that concept, all angles are equal. Total angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, each angle is equal to 180 by 3. All angles are equal. So, 180 by 3, 60 degree. Each angle is equal to 60 degree in case of an equilateral triangle. On the basis of angles, the triangles are classified as right angle triangle, acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. In case of a right angle triangle, one of the angle is always 90 degree. And in case of acute angle triangle, all angles are greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. And in the case of obtuse angular triangle, any one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Such a triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. In case of right angle triangle, this side is called base and this is called height and this side is called hypotenuse. And by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. We use this property for finding the sides of a triangle. Now let us study some important theorems from triangles. First theorem is sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If ABC is a triangle, then angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is the first theorem. Next, let us study about the theorem 2. This is also called exterior angle theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That is, if ABC is a triangle, if any of the side, let this side BC, this side is produced. Produced means it is extended. Then, the angle so formed, this is the exterior angle. This will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Opposite angle for this is this angle and this angle. So, let this be angle 1, this be angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4. Then, angle 4 is equal to the sum of interior opposite, angle 1 plus angle 2. Exterior angle formed by producing any of the side is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. This is one of the important theorem from triangles. Next is, if the three sides are produced, then the sum of exterior angles so formed is 360 degree. That is, if here I have produced only one side, If the three sides are previous, then we will get three exterior angles. The sum of all the three exterior angles will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 360 degree. Interior angle, sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree for a triangle and the sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Now let us study two more theorems. Next theorem is angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Suppose in a triangle ABC, side AB is equal to side AC. Then the angle opposite to that is also equal. We have seen this in the case of isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. So the angle opposite to AC is angle B. So angle B will be equal to, or angle opposite to AB is angle C. If sides are equal, if any two sides are equal, the angle opposite to that sides are also equal. Next theorem is the converse of this theorem. That is, if the sides opposite to two equal angles of a triangle are equal. If it is given that two angles are equal, that is angle B and angle C are equal, then the side opposite to them are also equal. So the side opposite to angle B is AC. So AC will be equal to side opposite to angle C is AB. So these are the four important theorems from triangles. Based on this, every problem from triangle can be solved. Now we can do some problems from the portion triangles. First question is find angle ACD. If you are looking at the figure, this is based on the property that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So angle ACD is equal to sum of interior opposite. Opposite angle to this is this and this. Angle A plus angle D. Angle A is 30, angle B is 90. So 30 plus 90 gives angle ACD, that is 120 degree. Next question. Find X and Y. Here we are asked to find the value of X and Y. If you are examining Y and 80 degree, both are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So Y is equal to 80. The reason is that they are vertically opposite angles. Next is, if this is Y, if Y is 80 and this is 50, what will be X? We know that this is a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle by theorem 1 is 180 degree. So, Y is 80. 80 plus 50 plus X is equal to 180 degree. So, X is equal to 180 minus 80 plus 50 is 130. So, it is 50 degree. So, value of X is 50 degree and Y is 80 degree. Now, we can move on to the third question. This is the third question and here we are asked to find Y. We are asked to find Y. It is given that BD is equal to CD is equal to AC. We are given these three sides are equal and we are asked to find the value of angle Y. If it is asked like that, then we can use the concept of a scalene triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to that sides are also equal. So if we are considering only this triangle, BCD, then angle opposite to equal sides are equal. That is, angle opposite to CD is 27 degree. Similarly, angle opposite to BD is should also be equal to 27 degree. So, angle BCD is equal to 27 degree. Okay, then we can mark this as equal to 27 degree. We are asked to find the value of Y. So, in order to find Y, we should consider this triangle ACD. This is these two angles, that is angle opposite to equal sides. CD and AC are the equal sides in case of this triangle. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So, angle opposite to AC is this one and angle opposite to CD is this one. These two angles should be equal. And we know that by the property of exterior angle theorem, this is the exterior angle of this triangle. If we are considering this triangle, this angle ADC is the exterior angle. So, it will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So, 27 plus 27 gives the value of ADC. So it is equal to 27 plus 27 is 54 degree. So this is 54 degree. If this is 54, by angle opposite to equal, angles equal sides are equal. So this angle will also be 54 degree. If these two are 54, we can find the value of y. If you are considering only this triangle, 180 minus 54 plus 54 gives the value of y. 54 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 108, which is equal to 72 degree. This is the value of y. So y is equal to 72 degree. Now we can move on to the fourth question. Find the value of A and B. In this case, we are asked to find the value of A and B. We are given two angles, 70 degree and this 120 degree. If we are using the property of a straight line, the angle of a straight line is equal to 180 degree. That is the total angle of a straight line. If this is a straight line, this total angle will always be equal to 180 degree. So, using that property, I am going to solve for the value of A. So, this total angle is 180 degree. That is 70 degree plus A degree is equal to 180 degree. So, the value of A is 180 minus 70, which is 110 degree. So, I obtain the value of A. Now, I want to find the value of B. B, if I am considering this triangle, I am naming it as E, B and C. In this B, D, then if I will obtain that by producing the side BC of the triangle ABC, I will get the angle ABD. So, this angle B is a sum of interior opposite angles. So, if I know the value of angle A, but I don't know the value of angle C. So, if I am finding that, then the sum gives the value of angle B. For that, it is given that this is 120 degree. If this is 120 degree, the total angle is 180 degree of this is a straight line. So, 180 minus 120 gives the value of this. 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So, the value of angle ACB. Angle ACB is 60 degree. So, this is 60 degree. So, the value of B is sum of interior opposite angles. That is 70 plus 60. Which is equal to 130 degree. So, obtain the value of A as 110 degree and B as 130 degree. Now, we can do some more questions from the concept of triangles. Next question. We are asked to find the value of angle A plus angle B plus angle C, angle D plus angle E. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E. We are asked to find the sum of these angles. So, for finding that, let me consider this as angle 1 and this as angle 2. Now, I am using the property of the sum of interior opposite angles gives the value of the exterior angle. Let me consider this triangle. Then, this angle 2 is equal to angle E plus angle B. Exterior angle is equal to this angle 2 is the exterior angle for this triangle. That is, if this side is produced, angle 2 forms the exterior angle and the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So, angle 2 is equal to angle B plus angle E. This is equation 1. Similarly, if I am considering the second triangle, AC, this triangle, then if this side is extended, this is the exterior angle for that triangle. Then angle 1 is equal to sum of interior opposite angle, angle A plus angle C. This is equation 2. Now, we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So, I can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. And from equation 1, I can substitute for angle 2 as angle B plus angle E. And for angle 1, I can substitute as angle A plus angle C. Substituting 1 and 2 in this equation, I will get, instead of angle 1, angle A plus angle C. Instead of angle 2, angle B plus angle E. Plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. If I am rearranging, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D plus, angle E is equal to 180 degree. So the value of the sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, next problem. Here there are 6 angles and we are asked to find the sum of all these 6 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E and angle F. In this case, I am going to consider 2 triangles. This is one triangle and the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I can write angle A plus angle C plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, if I am considering this triangle, then sum of angles is also equal to 180 degree. This is also a triangle. So angle B plus angle D plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2, which will give angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F. 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. So in this case, the sum of all angles equal to 180 degree is 360 degree, and in the above case, the sum of angles equal to 180 degree. Okay, now we can move on to the next question. This is the next question. Find x in terms of alpha, beta and gamma. So we are asked to find the value of x in terms of, here angle is not given, angles are given as alpha, beta and gamma. So in terms of that, we are asked to find the value of x. In this case, if we are producing this line, then we will get a triangle. This is T. We can let us name it as E. So in triangle A C E, this triangle, this is the exterior angle. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So angle A E B will be equal to, this exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angle is alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta is this angle. This angle is alpha plus beta. This angle is gamma. And if we are considering this triangle BED, this triangle, x is the exterior angle for that triangle. So the value of x is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That is, x is equal to the sum of these two angles. So alpha plus beta is one angle and gamma is the other angle. So the value of x is alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is what we are asked to find. Next question. Find angle DBC. DBC. We are asked to find the value of this angle. And we are given that AD is equal to CD is equal to BC. 3 sides are equal and also one of the angles is given. BCF is given. So if here we are using the property angles equal to equal sides are equal. Let us consider the triangle ADC. So in that triangle, the angles opposite to equal sides AD and DC are this angle and this angle. These two, let us name it as X. These two angles are equal. So we are writing both of the angles are equal. Let that angles be X. If that is X, then if you are considering this triangle, this will be the exterior angle for that triangle. And that will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So this angle will be equal to sum of these two. So angle CDB will be equal to x plus x, that is 2x. And now we are considering this triangle only, that is triangle DBC. When we are considering this triangle, two sides are equal. CD and BC are equal. Angle opposite to that two equal sides are also equal. So if this is 2x, this angle will also be 2x. Okay. So let us name this angle as y. Okay. This is a straight line. AF is a straight line and angle of a straight line is 180 degree. So x plus y plus 96 is 180 degree. So x plus y is what? 180 minus 96, that is 84 degree. Okay. So Now we are asked to find angle B. This angle DBC. This angle is what we are asked to find. That is, we have to find the value of 2x. If we are able to find x, we can find the value of 2x, and this gives the value of what we are asked. For that, we have obtained this. And then let us take that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 4x plus y is 180 degrees. If we are considering only triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, 2x plus 2x, 4x plus y is 180 degrees. Or from that we can replace and write 3x plus x plus y is 180 degrees. 3x plus, we have find that x plus y is 84 degrees. I am going to substitute there. 84 is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 84, that is 96 degrees. So x is equal to 96 by 3, which is 32 degrees. What is asked is angle DBC. Angle DBC is 2 times x. So 2 into 32, which is 64 degrees. Let me explain this once more. We are asked to find this angle DBC. We are given that, first let us consider the first triangle only. We are given two sides are equal, so angles opposite to that sides are also equal. So let us name it as x and x. And this is the exterior angle to that. So this will be equal to the sum of these two angles, x plus x. This will be 2x. Now if we are considering only this triangle, then also these two sides are equal. So angles opposite that sides are equal. So this is 2x and this is also 2x. We are actually asked to find this angle 2x. So if we are finding the value of x, we are able to solve it. For that, we are given an angle as 96 degree. We are using the concept of straight line. I have named this as x already. I am naming this as y. And this is given as 96. So sum of these three angles is 180 degree. X plus y plus 96 is 180 degree. So from that, x plus y is 180 minus 96, 84 degree. Now I am considering only this triangle. Angles of a sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 2x plus y gives 180 degree. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4x plus y is 180 degree. From that I am taking only 1x. So 3x remains and x plus y is equal to 180 degree. X plus y is, I have obtained that x plus y is 84. Substituting there, I will get the value of 3 as x 96 and x as 96 by 3, 32. Then I am substituting for x as 32 here. So 32 into 2, 64. This is what we are asked to find. Angle DBC. Okay. Now we have studied many problems from triangles, and in the next class we can learn about the centers of triangle. If you are having any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.